Sreekanth Nalagarla, and you are seeing the screen, right? So I'm going for the Tosca online training also. If anybody want to go for Tosca online training, please contact this number and drop your email. Okay. And one more thing. So I'm doing the Selenium videos step by step. All the videos I'm uploading into my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and share it and comment. And please comment, sir, upload. Sir, we are interested. So please upload. So if you comment, so I can understand. So I can go for the every concept very detailed manner, and up to frameworks I can upload the Selenium classes.
Another concept, interface, right? And coming to the interface is a very important concept for us because of if you understand the interface, almost all WebDriver you are understanding. So please concentrate. What is the interface? Interface is a set of rules defined by us. It is having so many methods without any logics. That methods we can implement into the some other classes forcefully. These concept we are calling as a interface concept we are calling. Once again, what is the interface? It is a set of rules defined by us. It is having so many methods, but in that methods there is no logics, only methods declaration without any logic, just declaring the methods. That all the methods forcefully we can implement it into the different classes. That concept calling as a interface concept. Once again, what is the interface means? It is a set of rules defined by us. It is having so many methods but without any logics. This is we are calling as a abstract methods. That methods we can implement into the different classes forcefully. That concept we are calling as a interface concept we are calling. For example, see here, this is a one interface. This is one interface. This interface name I am declaring as a phone, right? And phone having what is the functionalities? Public void call. This is a phone functionality, but I am not written any logic, just declaring the method public void. This we are calling as a answer phone functionality, public void reject. And this is also one of the method we are calling, one of the method we are declaring, but there is no logics in these methods. So phone is an interface. That interface having so many methods but without any logics. But these all the methods I can implement the different classes. In class 1 I can implement it, class 2 I can implement it, class 3 also I can implement it. This we are calling as a class 2, class 3. Here I can implement these all the methods. Interface methods all I can implement it here, and here also I can implement it. Means call, I can write the logic, answer, I can write the logic here, and rejected, I can write the logic here. Same manner, call, answer, rejected. Here I can write the logics. Same manner. But here I am giving the one of the statement. Forcefully we can implement all the interface methods into the classes. What is the meaning of forcefully means? Here three methods is there. Whenever we are implementing one interface to the class, you must be implemented that all the methods compulsory into the class. For example, two methods you are implementing, one method you are leaving. In that class it will throw the error. So forcefully all the methods you can implement. This is we are calling as a interface we are calling. Once again, what is the interface? It is a set of rules defined by us. It is having so many methods but without any logics, that all the methods we can implement into the different classes. Forcefully means without any method missing we can implement. So this concept we are calling as a interface concept we are calling. Once again, I'll go for that clearly. So this is we are calling as a one interface. This interface name we are calling as a phone. So phone having the functionality, common functionalities. For example, this is we are calling as a one mobile. This is we are calling as a one mobile, and this is we are calling as a one mobile. So different mobiles. Every mobile having the common feature, public, void. This is a call. This is a common feature that I can declare as a one method without any logic. Public, void, answer. Public, void, reject. This is we have the many methods, but logics are not available. This is we are calling as a interface. Okay. This interface I can implement it into the different classes. For example, this is one class. Nokia 306. This is a basic mobile. This is a basic mobile, Nokia 306. And now this is another class. This is another class. And this mobile is Nokia Asha, for example. Smartphone. Nokia N series. This is a smartphone. Coming to the here, mobile functionality, basic model. You can't go for the touch in the basic model. Just you can press the buttons, then you can call it. So call functionality is there, but way of implementation is different. You are pressing the button, then we can call. But if you coming to the Nokia Asha, this is a smartphone. So you are pressing the buttons to call, just touch you are using. So this is a some different functional, some different way you can go for the same that call functionality. By touching the numbers you can call it. But basic mobile you can't go for the touch. You can press the buttons and call it, then only we need to go for that. So every mobile having the function is same, but way of implementation is different. Basic mobile we need to call instance, press the buttons and call it. But smartphone, if you want to call it instance number, you need to touch and you can call it also. So functionality is same, way of implementation is different. So these all the methods I can implement it, call, answer, reject as per our Nokia 306 basic mobile testing purpose. I can write the logic, that related logic I can write it here. I'm written the logic. Public void answer, and this is I can go for the logic. Public void reject. This is I can write the logic. So these all the logics will be uh, implemented by this phone only. This is the Nokia 306. But Nokia Asha is having the touch. So these functionalities are not suitable. So these mobile purpose, same methods I can implement into some other class. Call, that logic, touch related logic call. Answer, touch related, rejected. Like that we can go for that. Same these methods, different logics we can write into the some other class. So these methods we can call to here, use to here. This is we are calling as a parent, this is we are calling as a child. So same function name, different arguments, same function name, same methods in the child class. This is we are calling as a overriding we are calling. Okay, fine. Whenever you are creating the interface and you are implementing the all the methods into the different classes, and these all developers will be developing and giving for us. This is we are calling as a jars they are giving. In the form of jars they are giving, this all the setup, and these jar files only we can download, and now we can start the using. Means these all we can start the using. Now this is a interface reference we need to create, class memory we need to create. Using that reference we can call the methods. I'll go for the once again clear manner. Try to concentrate here. Very simply I can go for that. This is we are calling as a interface. This interface name is what? Phone. And this is a call method is there, answer method is there. Logics are not there here, just method declaration. And that methods I want to implement into the, this is a class, this is the class, this is the class I am implementing. Right. So all the methods we are implementing here, all the methods we are implementing here. Right. So all the classes related, call related logic they can written here. Answer, rejected, same manner here also different logics were written. These all will be okay, and we have into the one place, and these we can use into the some other class. And I want to test that mobile, so this is a Nokia 306 class name, this is a Nokia Asha is a one class name, Nokia and class names. So in order to use these logics, now we can create the reference like this. Interface reference equal to new class name. This is a class name. Interface reference new class name. Like that we can create the reference. Before all the situation class name reference new class name. But now we are using the interface reference new class name. For example, interface name is phone, p equal to new class name is Nokia 306, and p dot, and here call functionality is there, because of call functionality is there, answer functionality, rejected functionality. So p dot, we can go for that, p dot. Now we can go for the call, p dot call. So this call method will be coming to the this logic only executing, because of we are using the memory is the this class name. So that logics only it is using, p dot answer. So these logics only we are using, p dot reject. This is the logics only we are using, because of we are using the class name this. But interface is common for all the classes. Once again I can go for that. Phone p1 equal to new Nokia Asha. This is we can write it. Now p1 dot call. Which logic is he using? This is a implementation call logic we are using here, because of this is Nokia Asha class name. And I can go for the answer. Here answer will be executing. Rejected here only go for that. So interface is the same, but memory class will be different. That logic of okay. So functionality will be different. One answer and two okay sorry one rejected. Like that we need to go for the interface we are calling. Once again, what is mean by interface? It is a set of rules defined by us. It is having so many methods but without any logics. That methods we are implementing into the different classes. That classes we can write the logics. This total we want to use into the some other class syntax. Interface reference new class name. Using this reference, this class logics we can start the using. Same manner here also we need to go for that. It's very clear. This is we are calling as a interface concept we are calling. This is we are calling as a interface concept we are calling. Now I want to start the preparing practically same example in our Eclipse. For example, whatever we are discuss, that we can go for the theoretically, practically here. Right click on the package, select the new. I can create the interface. See, this is I am selecting. I am not selecting class interface. Now phone. I am giving the phone. Click on the finish button. Now it's a interface is created. Public interface phone. Phone. Now here written public void call. I can go for the call. I'm not written any logic, just declaring the method. Public void answer. Public void reject. This is we can go for the reject here. So this is the we can create the interface. So interface name is phone. Now that interface having the three methods without any logic. This is we are calling as a method we are calling. These methods I want to implement it. These all the methods I want to implement it different classes. How? First I want to create the one class. See here, right click, new class Nokia 306, and just I'm declaring the class. I'm not using any main method here because of I don't want to execute here anything. Now see, I want to implement the interface. Implements. This is a keyword I can use it. What is the interface name? Phone. Now see, it is throwing the error because of this interface. Whatever the methods is there, that methods you are not implementing. Still, that is the reason it will throw the error. For example, I am implemented. Add unimplemented methods. Now see, is coming to the overriding. So what I am telling overriding, same function name, same parameters or same data types in the child class. Phone is the parent, Nokia 306 is the child. So this we are calling as a overriding concept we are calling. Now I have written the logic system.out.println, simply printing statement. Logic for Nokia 306 calling. This is I can write it. Same manner I can write it. System.out.println logic for this we are calling as the answer, right? And logic for I can write the Nokia 306 calling. This I can write it. And same manner system.out.println logic for Nokia 306 reject we can write it. Okay. So this is we can write the our own logics here. For example, printing statements. And this is okay. Some other class. What's the wrong here? Okay, fine. I want to save the interface. Fine. And coming to the here, right click on the package class. Once again I can create Nokia Asha. Now I want to implement same interface here. Implements. What? Phone. This is a phone. Now I can go for here, add unimplemented methods. So this is the same methods I am implementing, but way of logic will be different. System.out.println logic for Nokia Asha. So Nokia Asha. So this is we can go for the and this is a Nokia Asha. We can write it whatever. Nokia Asha. This is the answer we can write it. Same manner. System.out.println logic for Nokia Asha calling. This we can go. Same manner, I can write system.out.println This we are calling as a logic for Nokia, Asha, reject, reject. So this is we can return. Already we have written this is all the things. So interface is ready. That interface implementing methods classes will be ready, and that another two classes we are implementing same interface. This is the same interface. So like that all the interface is ready, classes also ready. Now these all the setup I want to use into the some other place, some other class. So I want to execute, then I can go for this. This we are calling as a interface. Okay, interface example. I can go for that. It's a class name. Because of main method, I want to execute that all the things. So I want to write the main method also. Now here, before all the situation, if you want to access methods, non-static methods, now we are using what? The class purpose reference, the class purpose memory. But now coming to the here, we are written this manner. This is we are calling this interface name. Phone, the interface name phone p equal to new Nokia 306. This is I can write it. P dot call. What calls? Nokia 306 logic calls. And same manner I can write P dot answer. P dot reject. I can go for that. This is now observe here. What is the class name we are using? Nokia 306. So that logics will be printing here. This is the logics will be printing here. Now observe. Run it. If you select, run it. This is we are calling as a that logics will be coming to the here. For example, I want to write it here. Phone P1 equal to new Nokia Asha. Now P1 dot call. But this is Nokia Asha class having the logics that you can accept. And this is the right P1 dot is that this we can go for the result. And save it. Now run it. See, this is you are calling as a Nokia 306, and this is we are calling as a Nokia Asha calls. Like that, I want to get the that logics depends upon the class, but reference will be interface is same. This is the interface is same, but class name different classes you are implementing that methods. Particular class methods if you want to access, now we can go for that. Like that interface purpose reference, that particular class purpose memory. So inside that class logics it will be using and implementing the actions. This is we are calling as a interface concept we are calling. What is the interface? It is a set of rules defined by us. It is having so many methods without any logics. That all the methods we can implement into the different classes. So these all the setup I want to use it and execute. Now we can go for the like this. This is we are calling as a interface concept we are calling. This we are calling as a interface concept, and these we can call as a single interface we are calling. What is the meaning of single interface? Come to the here. This is a single interface. We are going for one interface. You can go for the multiple classes. This we are calling as a single interface. One interface you can implement to the different classes. This we are calling as a single interface we are calling. Multi interface. This is the interface 1, interface 2. These two interfaces you are implementing to the one class. This is we are calling as a multi-interface. We are calling this. We are calling as a multi-interface. Multi-interface we are calling. So two interfaces we can implement into the one class. So that we are calling as a multi-interface. We are calling. For example, you can go for the two interfaces. So interface one, this is having the method 1, method 2. Interface 2, method 3, method 4 is there. Now I can go for this we are calling as a class, and these two interface we are implementing here. Class 1, you can go for that. M1 you can implement it, M2 you can implement it, M3 you can implement it, M4. Because of two interfaces we are implementing here. While implementing the interface, okay, two interfaces, now we can write like this: public class name. Now we can go for the implements interface, second interface, comma, interface 2. Like that, multi interface we can extend to the one class. We can implement it to the one class. So this is the syntax we can follow. We can implement the two interfaces into the one class. But while accepting means while using, you can go for the like that. You can go for like this interface, this class. So that logics only it will be using. This interface, this class. So that logics only it can call it. Like that we need to go for that. For example, I can go for here. This is we are calling as a interface, right? This is the interface I1. This is the interface to I2. Method 1 is there, method 2 is there, method 3 is there, method 4 is there. These two interfaces you are implementing into the one class. Class 1. Class 1. So M1, M2, M3, M4. This is the part. But if you want to access these methods, interface 1, I1 equal to new class 1. Now I1 dot M1 you can access, I1 dot M2 you can access. That's it only. You can't access M2, M3, M4 because of you are using the interface name is I1. So that methods only we can access here. Okay, interface I2 you are giving new class 1. So here I2 dot, so this is the three methods, two methods we can access. I2 dot M4, like that we can access here. So this is we are calling as a multi interface. We are calling this we are calling as a multi interface. Two interfaces we can implement into the one class. But while implementing like this, you can go for the interface 1 reference, that related methods only we can access. Interface 2 reference, that related methods only we can implement, we can use it. So this is we are calling as a here interface. And one more thing, while implementing the interface, two methods compulsory we can implement. But using situation only one you can use it, not a problem. But implementing situation only, all you can implement compulsory. But using situation only one method you can use it enough. And two methods you can use it, not a problem. One method you can use it, not a problem. But implementation time compulsory, all the methods you can implement into the interface to class. So this is we are calling as a interface concept we are calling. This is we are calling as a interface concept we are calling. And one more thing. Before Charan asking question, sir, we have written all classes, interfaces, everything in the one package. This is a one package. This is a one package. com.Sreekanth classes that core Java. This is one package we are creating interface to class everything. And we are using into the same class. So we are using into the same class only. But this is one package. I'm using that interface and classes into the some other class. See, some other package I'm creating interface example 2 I can write it, and this is the main method. I can use it and click it. So that package will be different and this package will be different. For example, I can go for the here. Right. See here. Oh, sorry. This is, I can go for that. All right. Now coming to the here. This is a one package. Yeah, this is one package. This is a package. It's very clear, huh? This is a package. In this package, I can use it. This is we are calling as a interface name. Where is the interface? Phone is the interface. This is the phone is the interface. That phone we can implement it into Nokia 306, Nokia Asha. But these three I can use into the, this is the example, we can go for that. But this all will be available in the same package only. This is the same package only available. But now I can go for the some other package. This is we are calling as a package name. Some other package. I can go for the some other package. What is some other package? We can go for that. This is a package. So in this package, I have the one class I am creating. In this class, I can use this class, this interface, this class, everything I can use it. Where from this package to and some other package class. Now observe, whenever we are using one package to another package, what is the difference? If you use the same package, nothing special. Directly we can use it. But one package information we can use into the some other class, some other package, some other class. Now what is the difference? Now observe. Now I can creating the one class into the different package. This is that class name we are calling example 2. All will be available into the, this is the package com.Sreekanth classes.core but now I am using Sreekanth classes.WebDriver. Now see, I can use interface name phone and p equal to new Nokia 306. This is, I can go for that. Whenever I can implement it like this, this is throwing the error because of this phone interface is available in the some other package. This Nokia 306 class is available in the some other package. So you can use that package to some other package class. You must be import the namespace. This is import. Now it will be coming. Oh, this phone interface is available which package? This is giving the address. Now same manner, this is we can go for that because of in order to use during execution time this phone interface, this Nokia 306 class, where exactly it will be located, that addresses we need to import it. Now while executing very easily it can go for that place and will start the using. So this is the difference between same package, same you can use it, nothing you need to import, like this directly we can use it. But that is a different package and this is a different package you are using, that all the information you must be declared like this. You must be import the namespaces like this. This is we are calling as a, this is we are calling as a interface concept we are calling. Okay na? So this is we are calling as a interface concept we are calling. Now I'll give the a simple touch for the WebDriver. Now we are understanding interface. I'm giving a simple touch for the WebDriver. I will go for the next class. What is the WebDriver? Very detailed manner. But a simple touch I can go for the WebDriver. Now see, WebDriver is a interface. WebDriver is a interface. I want to go for this. WebDriver is a interface. This is the WebDriver is a interface. It is having lot of methods like a click method and send keys method, get method, and we can go for the get title method, get text method, like that lot of methods are available without any logics, because of WebDriver is a interface. WebDriver is a interface. So what interface we have? Methods is there, just declaration only. There is no logic here in this all the methods. So WebDriver is an interface. It is having lot of methods without any logics. That methods I can implement into the one class. This is a one class. But this class we are calling as a Firefox driver. This is, we can go for that. And this is another class I can write, Internet Explorer driver. Some other class, Chrome driver, some other class, Safari driver, some other class, Opera driver. Like the different 5 classes I can implement the same method, click, send keys, get to, same methods I can call it, implement. Now I can write the own logic also. So these all the logics Selenium developer will be developed already, giving for us in the form of jars. That is only I'm telling WebDriver, I'm telling Selenium introduction. Selenium WebDriver is a just downloading, configuring, using and testing the application. So already Selenium developers will be developing this all the setup and written the logics and giving for us in the form of jars that we can download in our project in Eclipse. Now we can start the using like this. Interface name WebDriver, reference driver equal to, for example, you are testing your application by using Firefox browser. So Firefox driver, this is the class name. These methods for only your web-based application is opened in the Firefox browser, then this class name. For example, your web-based application is opened into the Internet Explorer driver, now we can write class name. This is the same, driver 1, WebDriver. But your application is planning to test by using Safari driver browser. Now this is the class name, new. Now WebDriver, this is the WebDriver interface is common and driver. Your application, if you want to test by using Opera browser, Opera driver class name, new. Now driver equal to WebDriver. Like that you need to use it. With the help of this reference driver dot get method we can use it. I can implement some logic. That is the reason we are discussing here. What is a WebDriver? What is a WebDriver? WebDriver is a interface. It is having lot of methods. It's having lot of methods, but without any logics. That all the methods, different classes for different browser purpose. They are developing already Selenium people. All the logics, click methods and keys, everything logics they can develop, giving for us in the form of jar files. These jar files we can download and configure. Now we can start the writing the WebDriver script. So this is the reason Selenium WebDriver. This is just downloading, configuring, using, testing only. Now we are understanding WebDriver is an interface. Oh, lot of methods are available, but without any logic. That all the methods implemented the different classes and develop the logics also. That they can giving, they are providing Selenium WebDriver people in the form of jar files. So website onwards we can download, configure, use it and start the writing the our manual test case to automation. So how to download, how to configure and how to use it, how to write manual test case to automation. Next session we are discussing here. So this is we are calling as a little bit touch up, little bit introduction for the Selenium WebDriver. In next session we'll go for the how to download, how to configure, how to use this WebDriver interface and class memory, and how we can call the method, which method having which logic, in which manner we can use it, and how we can test our web-based application with the help of the Selenium WebDriver, how we can write our manual test case to Selenium WebDriver script in automation. This is the all the topics we'll discuss next coming class. So this is I can stop here. Selenium WebDriver introduction, just touch up I can provide, and next coming class very clearly we can start a Selenium WebDriver. It's very clear. So this is we are calling as a Selenium WebDriver little bit introduction.
Sreekanth Nalagarla, and you are seeing the screen, right? So I'm going for the Tosca online training also. If anybody want to go for Tosca online training, please contact this number and drop your email. Okay. And one more thing. So I'm doing the Selenium videos step by step, or all the videos I'm uploading into my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and share it and comment. And please comment, sir, upload. Sir, we are interested. So please upload. So if you comment, so I can understand. So I can go for the every concept very detailed manner, and up to frameworks I can upload the Selenium classes.